a big rain. Raining a little hard now. Now a little softer, but it was raining like crazy, man. This is from North Philly. From North fucking Philly. You see the skies? Ugly skies and shit. That's how it is, man. That's how it is.